Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 192. This was a Friday, the 10th of March, 2023. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I worked on insurance business, and I did a little bit of Remote Wellness Academy, and I also did some Livegood calling and made a video. So did all that yesterday. It was a very productive day, and grateful. I'm grateful for the people behind ChatGPT. What a remarkable technology this is. You haven't discovered this. You can really bounce ideas off of this thing, and it just really is going to be a force multiplier. And that's only possible because of many people behind it and behind the scenes working on that. And ChatGPT actually gave me a list of different people. I said, give me a list of people at random on who to be grateful for, what it came up with. Here's a random group of people to be grateful for: sanitation workers, firefighters, farmers, teachers, scientists and researchers, caregivers, volunteers, artists and musicians, police officers, and small business owners. So, and I could just say, okay, I'm going to continue, or how about expand on that? I was just expanding on the answers of that. I asked it to rewrite that. Yeah, it's expanding the answers to that. So I'm going to ask it to rewrite. Thank you for your forbearance in this as I doing this real time. Healthcare workers, social workers, environmental activists, human rights advocates, community organizers, mental health professionals, journalists, nonprofit leaders, emergency responders, military personnel, of course, military personnel, and veterans. So I will go and expand more on these in future videos, but sometimes I'm like, okay, who should I be grateful for? ChatGPT can come in and give you a suggested list. So that's the report for day 192. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.